Picture this. You're standing on a hotel balcony in Cyprus, overlooking the Mediterranean, and you can actually hear the waves calling your name. That's the magic of Louis Althea Beach Hotel, where every room comes with a story and a view that makes you question why you ever lived anywhere else. The standard double rooms might clock in around 25 to 30 square meters, but they've mastered the art of making space feel infinite through clever design and those floor-to-ceiling windows that frame the Cypriot landscape like a living painting. What really caught my attention wasn't just the modern amenities or the mini bar that actually gets restocked daily, but the way each room feels like a personal retreat rather than just another hotel box. The family rooms take this concept and run with it, offering interconnected spaces that somehow manage to give parents their sanctuary while keeping the kids close enough to hear their midnight snack breaks. Every room tells a different story depending on where you end up. The garden view rooms offer something unexpectedly enchanting. You wake up to the sight of Mediterranean flora that changes with the seasons, creating a natural calendar outside your window. But here's where it gets interesting. The pool view rooms don't just overlook any ordinary hotel pool. They provide front row seats to what essentially becomes the hotel's social theater, where you can watch the daily drama of poolside life unfold while sipping your morning coffee. The suites, though details remain mysteriously vague on the official channels, reportedly offer separate living areas that transform the typical hotel experience into something resembling a temporary Mediterranean home. What makes these accommodations particularly clever is how they've managed to blend modern comfort with that distinctly Cypriot charm. Think wooden furniture that whispers of island craftsmanship and balconies designed for those golden hour moments that make your Instagram followers genuinely jealous. Now let's talk about something that can make or break any hotel experience: the food situation. The main restaurant at Louis Althea Beach operates on a buffet concept, which normally makes me cringe, but this place has somehow cracked the code of buffet excellence. They've taken international cuisine and given it a Mediterranean twist that makes even the most skeptical food critics pause mid-bite. The breakfast spread runs from 7 to 10 in the morning, and here's a pro tip that locals whisper about. Arrive at 7:30 sharp to catch the pastries when they're still warm from the oven. The lunch service transforms the space into something more casual, perfect for those post-beach moments when you're sandy, slightly sunburned, and desperately craving something that tastes like vacation. But dinner is where the real magic happens. Themed nights that rotate through Cypriot specialties, international favorites, and barbecue extravaganzas that turn the dining room into a celebration. The pool bar deserves its own spotlight because it's not just serving drinks, it's curating moments. Operating from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening, this isn't your typical hotel bar that serves watered-down cocktails and stale sandwiches. The bartenders here have mastered the art of the perfect poolside cocktail, and their ice cream selection has been known to cause minor diplomatic incidents among families trying to decide on flavors. What makes this spot particularly special is its positioning, close enough to the pool for easy access, but far enough away that you're not constantly dodging wayward pool balls or listening to someone's questionable playlist at maximum volume. The light snacks they serve bridge that crucial gap between lunch and dinner, preventing those hangry moments that can derail even the most perfect vacation day. Speaking of pools, Louis Althea Beach has managed to solve one of hospitality's greatest challenges, creating pool areas that work for everyone without turning into chaos. The main pool stretches about 25 meters and varies in depth from 1.2 to 1.8 meters, which means both confident swimmers and those who prefer to wade can find their perfect spot. But the real genius lies in the separate children's pool. Shallow, safe, and positioned where parents can maintain visual contact while actually relaxing for more than 30 seconds. The poolside service includes towels, which might seem basic, but you'd be surprised how many supposedly upscale hotels charge extra for this necessity. The sun loungers are strategically spaced to give everyone their personal bubble of paradise, and the umbrellas actually provide shade instead of just existing for decorative purposes. The beach access is where this hotel truly shines, offering about 200 meters of sandy coastline that feels more private than public, despite being easily accessible. The water here maintains that crystal clear quality that makes you question whether you're looking at a postcard or reality. Snorkeling opportunities abound. with local marine life that seems genuinely curious about visitors rather than terrified of them. The paddleboarding options provide a perfect way to explore the coastline from a different perspective, and occasional boat trips organized by external providers give guests a chance to discover hidden coves and secluded beaches that don't appear on typical tourist maps. The beach service maintains the same high standards as the pool area, with loungers and umbrellas positioned to maximize both comfort and privacy, creating individual oases along the shoreline. Activities at Louis Althea Beach extend far beyond the typical hotel offerings, creating experiences that guests remember long after they've returned home. The fitness center operates from 7 in the morning until 9 at night, equipped with cardio machines and free weights that actually work properly, a rarity in hotel gyms. But the real activity magic happens through the weekly entertainment program, which includes live music performances that showcase local talent alongside international acts. DJ nights transform the pool area into an impromptu dance floor, while cultural shows provide glimpses into Cypriot traditions that you won't find in guidebooks. The hotel's location in the Coral Bay area means that water sports and beach activities are practically unlimited, from jet skiing to parasailing for the adventure seekers to beach volleyball and coastal walks for those preferring land-based fun. The spa and wellness facilities deserve serious consideration, even if you're not typically the spa type. The treatment menu includes massages and facials that utilize local ingredients, creating experiences that feel authentically Cypriot rather than generically international. The sauna and steam room provide perfect post-beach recovery, especially after those days when you've spent too much time in the Mediterranean sun. What makes the spa particularly appealing is its relaxation lounge, which functions as a quiet retreat from the more social areas of the hotel. Operating from 10 in the morning until 7 in the evening, the spa requires advance booking, but the staff at reception can usually accommodate last-minute requests if you suddenly decide that you absolutely need a massage after a particularly intense day of vacation activities. Families will find that Louis Althea Beach has thought through the complexities of multi-generational travel with impressive attention to detail. The Kids Club operates from 10 in the morning until 5 in the evening, providing structured activities that actually engage children rather than just parking them in front of screens. Arts and crafts sessions tap into creative energy, while supervised games ensure that kids burn off enough energy to sleep peacefully at night. The family rooms and interconnected accommodations mean that parents can maintain their sanity while kids enjoy age-appropriate entertainment. Seasonal events like holiday celebrations create shared memories that families talk about for years afterward, while the children's pool area provides a safe space for younger guests to enjoy water activities without the intimidation factor of the main pool. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.